How to get Amazon affiliate links. Amazon has changed the way to get an affiliate link, and in this short video I will show you the new method to get the links. First of all, make sure you are an Amazon associate, otherwise you won't get a link anyway. To do this, you go to amazon.com, scroll down to the button and click on Become an Affiliate. If you do so, you will get to this page over here where you can sign up. This is the process. I have a full explanation video about the Amazon sign up and I will link it down in the description. If you signed up and you're inside your Amazon Associates account, you will see this site stripe. So this is new. Earlier you searched the products you want to become an affiliate for here, and now is the site stripe, and here is the explanation how it works. If you're on Amazon and you register as Amazon Associate, you have this bar over here, and here you can get your link. So I'm now back on Amazon and you see it over here. Here is my Amazon site stripe and I can get the link, image, text and image. You have to search a product first, so keep shopping. I take just this one, click over it. If I want to become an affiliate for this book, I go here to the book or search $100 million offers from Alex Hormozi. So you see it's the same book. I go over here and on this page there is the stripe bar, get text link, click on it, my affiliate ID, there's a full link, the short link, both of them are working, copy, and if I paste it over here I should get on the same page with my affiliate ID somewhere over here. So here is my affiliate ID, so this is working. And if you go back, I can get an image link and I can get text and image. Just copy it, and if you insert the code, you get something that looks like this. If you want a higher commission than just this few percent from Amazon, watch this video next. In this video, I do a review about Legendary Marketer, and you will know why Legendary Marketer is perfect if you start your online business and how to get high commissions from $1,000 and more.